If y is equal to u over v, where u and v are both functions of x, then dy dx is given by v times du dx take away u times dv dx, all divided by v squared. This is known as the quotient rule. So let's consider x squared over 3x minus 1. Y is x squared over 3x minus 1, and the u would be x squared. The v would be 3x minus 1. If we look at the formula, we need both du dx and dv dx. So differentiating du dx is 2x, and dv dx is equal to 3. Substituting into the formula, dy dx is going to be v times du dx, so that's 2x times 3x minus 1, take away u times dv dx, which is 3x squared, all divided by the v squared, so we get 3x minus 1 all squared. We can do a little tidying with this. The denominator stays the same. Expanding the bracket, we get 6x squared minus 2x minus 3x squared. Tidying the top now, 6x squared minus 3x squared is 3x squared minus 2x.